Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup video featuring all products from L'Oreal Paris. First I'm going to go in with their Eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. And I'm just using it to make little streaks in it to make it look like my own hair growing out of my skin. I'm going to go in with their concealer to clean up my brows, and I don't know what happened to the clip where I started doing it, but I only got the clip where I was finishing it off. Next I'm going to go in with foundation, and I have two different shades. I believe one is 450 and one is 500, and the one that's 450 was darker, and that one went with my skin tone much better than the one with 500 or the one that's labeled 500. But I went ahead and tried them both on my skin to see which one I like better. Like I said, I went with the, I think it's 480 something from what I just saw in the video, but yeah, that's the one I went with. So yeah, I doubled back and the shade is 488, so that's the shade I went with. So maybe around the winter time I will be matching with the shade 500. I have other L'Oreal foundation where shade 500 is like dark or my perfect shade, but this one it was not. I'm gonna go ahead with their setting spray and add some on my brush that I'm gonna use to blend out my foundation. So here I'm still just testing the foundation to see how I like it, and like I said, this is shade 488 that I'm blending in, and absolutely right away I love the way it looked. And then I'm gonna go ahead and also try to blend the shade on the other side and show you guys why I went with 488. So yeah, 488 is the one I end up using. So here I am about to blend out 500 when I saw that it was just too light for me. I guess around the winter time when my skin tone gets lighter, it will be a perfect match, but right now it's not really my match, so I'm gonna go with the 488 like I keep saying, and just blend that all over my face. Y'all, the way my makeup came out in this video, I was stunned. I was like, this is how I'm gonna keep doing my makeup. For some reason I absolutely love it, but hey, I still want to know what you guys think, because you know, everybody have their own opinion, but I absolutely love the outcome of this makeup look. And most of the product that I used was from L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with concealer, and again this concealer is from them. I think I had two different shades, maybe three, but I went with this one. I will put the shade number or name in the description box because I'm not really sure at the moment which one I use. And just so you know guys, I let the concealer sit on my face for a few minutes before I start blending it out, and I'm just using this wet sponge to blend it out. I'm not even sure where this sponge is from, but I found it in my, you know, makeup stuff, and that's what I'm using. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using one of their setting powder that's called the Infallible Blurfiction, and I'm going to be using the yellow one. They sent me a pink and a yellow. I will be using the yellow one today. Next, I'm gonna go in with these lippies from them. I got 3 of them. I know one is a lipstick, one is a lip gloss, but I'm not sure if the other one is a lip gloss also or a lipstick because I didn't try it. But I'm gonna be going in with the lipstick I show you guys first. I'm just here enjoying myself. Why not? Before putting on my lipstick. So yeah, I'm going in with that darker shade that look like mauve or pink or whatever before I put the lip gloss over it. And I did line my lips off camera, as you can see there. And I know you guys are probably gonna ask, but the lip liner that I used was just a dark brown lip liner, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, with no extra steps, extra name, anything like that. But look at the combo, y'all. It was eating down bad. And yes, I was feeling myself after I put this lip combo on. So now I'm gonna go in with the clear and add it right on top of it. So when I added this clear lip gloss on my lip, let me tell you guys, I absolutely just love the sheen from it. It was really giving, you know what I'm saying? I'm so obsessed with this lip combo. The lipstick and the clear gloss over it, everything together was fire. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with their setting spray, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and put some lashes on off camera and show you guys the finished look. So I usually don't do this, but today I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara on my lashes that I just put on. And this mascara is also from them. It's called their Paradise Big Deal. Do you guys see how much of a big deal this L'Oreal Paris Paradise Big Deal mascara is? There's no way I could have finished this video without adding it onto my lashes. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoy it. I absolutely love the outcome. You know what I'm saying? I think it looks really nice, but I still want to know what you guys think about it. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Again, all the products I use today is from L'Oreal Paris. And if you guys have any questions about any of the products I use today, just ask me down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you guys haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!